What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button at the top of your screen. Also, go like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at 662 Racing Official. And if you want to show your support, we have a Patreon, or you can go to our website where you can purchase some 662 Racing gear. Thanks for everything, guys. Catch you guys later.